Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Kimberly's Sandbox, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I took a hike down from my villa and decided to come all the way down to Chaweng Lake. I'm looking for about 8 miles worth of hiking today, and I'm not sure how many of you have actually seen Chaweng Lake, but I decided to maybe share that with you, as well as bring you all with me up to a temple that's located right here in Chaweng that overlooks this lake. So it should be a beautiful morning, and I hope you all enjoy. Chaweng Lake is probably one of the key areas to come and exercise here. So Chaweng Lake is probably one of the more popular places to come run and exercise and walk here. And you can see it is quite beautiful. And you have a backdrop of the beautiful hills here in Samui. And if you look over there, you can see some tents set up, and this is where the night market is every week. You'll have to check out my video on the Central Samui night market. Really a fun place to come to with family and friends, walk around, sample some of the local fare. This lake also offers some beautiful shade trees along the pathway here. So it's nice because you exercise primarily in the shade. Keeps you quite a bit cooler. There's also bathrooms here as well. Those open up at 8 a.m. And there's also security here. So you don't have to really worry about anything. They're super helpful. Gosh, it was a couple months ago, Dave and I were down here and we saw a dog that had fallen into the water, and really there's no way out of here. Once you fall into that water, as you can see, the banks are rather high, and the security guards were super helpful. We managed to save that dog. Very nice guys. But this has definitely become one of my go-to places to come and walk and exercise. It's close to my gym, Success Gym. And it's really not too far from my house either. It's about a 2.5 mile walk for me. So it's completely doable. If I wanted to walk down here, stop at the gym, and then walk my way back home, that would be a really great workout. Certainly beats spending the time on a treadmill. I get to be out in nature and, you know, around the trees and look at this beautiful view. Oh my gosh, this little boy's so cute. Just makes me think of my Evan and my Kyle when they were that age. Gosh, it just seems like a blink of an eye ago. Amazing how fast they grow. Now they're living their best lives, doing their awesome stuff that they have set out to do for themselves, and responsible, good-hearted, hardworking young men now. So proud. And you can see the temple or pagoda up there on top of that hill, and that's where I'm going to head today. And you can kind of see up there They have like some little outdoor like exercise equipment. Granted, I mean, this is not high quality equipment, but it does give something for people. If you can't afford a membership to a gym, at least you have some options there to pedal. I mean, it looks like she's on a bicycle over there, and we'll take a walk up there and I'll show you what they've got. And if you go out onto that peninsula right out there, there's a go-karting place. They also have indoor skydiving, but I don't think that's open yet. Yeah, so the go-kart place does offer like specials. You can buy like package deals, and I'm not really sure of the prices, but it's a good place to go. It's a fun place to bring family and friends. And then this is the outdoor little exercise equipment area. I mean, you can do chest press, and it looks like they have some cardio equipment. So, hey, it's something. They have courts too over there for, you know, volleyball or, you know, badminton or whatever you want to do. And here we are, beautiful. I just love it down here. And one thing I have seen too down here is people just riding loops on their bicycle here. You don't have to deal with traffic. It's definitely very convenient, centrally located. There's plenty of parking here. So a good option if you want to just ride your bike around. And if you're fearful of, you know, getting clipped by a motorbike or something on the road, this is definitely a place you can come to. And I'm gonna go ahead and share with you. Let me see if I can zoom in on that temple up there on the hill. There we go. So I've been here all this time and I have yet to go up there. Oh, and normally I walk with a hiking group on Sundays, and it does turn into a half-day event because I have to drive down to Lamai. That's like 25 minutes, and then we don't leave until 8:15, and then we usually have to drive to our destination. We're going to start our hike, and it really kind of depends on my plans for the day if I'm willing to do a half day or more. So spending that time, you know, all the driving and so forth, or if I have plans. So I actually have plans today, and I'm going to be joining my friend Amanda and one of her friends who I have not met yet, and we're hitting up a resort today. And yet a little bit more exercise equipment here at the main, I don't know what you call this. And they even have a charging station for your electric vehicles here, which I had no idea. You know, I will say, I mean, if you're a runner, it is not easy to run here. And the reason being is that you've got dogs on the sidewalk, you've got dogs in the road, you have uneven surfaces as well on the footing. For instance, let me just show you. I mean, these sidewalks are not like real legit for conducive for running, and some of the road conditions are a little rough as well. So if you come down onto the road to run, it's a little tricky too. Sometimes you like see metal rebar sticking up in random places. You have wires, guys, sometimes hanging. And you always kind of want to avoid touching any metal because you just don't know if stuff is grounded and if there's something charged touching that metal. But yeah, some of the challenges, right, of trying to enjoy your athletics here And so I think that's why Chaweng Lake is such a good option for you if you like to run, because you just do loops around there. And you don't have to deal with a lot of this. I mean, I was down in Chaweng Lake today. I think I saw 2 dogs, but they were owned by somebody. So there's not a lot of strays down there either that you have to worry about. See what I mean by like some of the unevenness and some of the craziness you see here, just like wires and stuff. Wow, look how beautiful this little temple is here, all wood. Beautiful. All right, and here we go. This is the entry. And I hope I'm saying this correctly, to the Khao Hua Jook Pagoda. So I am gonna go ahead and walk up here. And it says 500 meters. All right, here we go. And we've got some incline, that's for sure. Heart's pounding already. Whew. At the main gate, there's a couple dogs that came out just barking at me. But they left me alone, as most do. Yeah, we'll get some nice views from up here. I'm sure once I get to the top, it will be even more awesome, but I can see the airport over there. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, it looks like this might be the way up. Yeah, I think so. All right, I don't think I need a stair stepper today. That's for sure. Oh my gosh. Oh, good to know. They got restrooms up here. Oh, wow. Oh, when I set out today, I didn't realize I was coming, and I didn't bring something to cover my shoulders. And she gave me this shawl, this wrap, so that was great. I think most places have something to give you just in case if you did forget to bring something with you. smells like fresh paint in there. I think they're redoing all the columns in that like gold leaf look. It is absolutely gorgeous. I don't even know if this video is gonna give it any justice, but I didn't want to stay in there too long because they were praying, and I didn't want to talk out loud really because they were praying. So I just kind of stepped out, but beautiful place, guys. Definitely put it on your list of things to do here in Koh Samui. So that was a real Buddhist monk, you guys. Pretty cool. So excited. When I return from my trip to Nepal, I am going to be helping teach English to Buddhist monks, and it's going to be such a neat experience. I can't wait to share it all with you. Just so many neat opportunities here on the island if you're able to stay longer and do some volunteer work. Hello. All right, that concludes our adventure of the day. I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks so much for joining me. And as always, please like and subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it if you would. And I'll catch you soon.